so excited about this launch. I'm so excited about this launch. Okay, I'm gonna get serious. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just kidding. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so pumped. Today I want to show you guys something that I think is super revolutionary. It's the first time anyone in the industry has done anything like this, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. We're going to be revealing our latest product. It is launching on December 26th, also known as Unboxing Day in the UK. To all the Americans out there, I never knew it was called that. It is a revolutionary product to the eyeshadow industry. And I'm not the only person who thinks this. When I showed this to a lot of the retailers, they freaked out. But they were like, oh my God, I've never seen anything like this in the industry. So I'm so excited to share this with you guys. So proud of my team for this. This is so amazing. And I'm just gonna show you guys. I'm so excited. Here they are. These are our melted shadows. And who really cares about melted shadows? What does that mean? I know a lot of you are probably wondering those things. Melted shadows are basically the easiest way, the most seamless, foolproof way to do eyeshadow that you've ever seen. This is for beginners, for pros, for people who like makeup, love makeup, for everyone out there who wants to play in the makeup game. This is going to be your absolute best friend, and there's nothing like it. I'm going to show you guys how to use it. There's 5 different colors, and I'll go through all of them very quickly. Basically, each one has one side that is matte. It's just a regular matte shade, and that's what really makes this very unique. It's a really beautiful matte shade that is waterproof, crease-proof, smudge-proof, all those amazing things. But not only that, it's foolproof, which I think is the most important thing. So it's really easy to blend. So I can use my finger right now to blend, and I can do this and blend like this, or I can do this and swatch like this. And I basically get the most foolproof, most blended eyeshadow just in seconds. This is the matte shadow. This on the other side is a really beautiful metallic shade that we're basically calling a metal. You can see this is how you create a cut crease within seconds, or you can do a liner with it. Literally, the possibilities are endless. It's so amazing. So, all you do is you swatch right on top. So, I'm literally just going in with a brush and putting it right on top. And this might look like, man, that's pretty cool. I think it's pretty nice on hand. But when you put this onto your eyes, that's when the magic begins. I'm gonna pick my favorite shade, which is Private Jet and Shimmering Sunset. Basically, this is like a really nice neutral kind of warm pinkish brown. It's really beautiful. And then on the other side, it's like a really nice kind of warm champagne-y color with a little bit of gold in it. There's a few staples, and this is definitely one of them. I love this shade. I'm gonna take the matte shade first, and I'm just gonna open it up. And I'm basically gonna draw 3 dots on my crease. So I'm gonna go right on my crease. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. 3 dots in there like that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take any brush. I could even use my fingers if I wanted to. And I don't want to wait too long because it does set. And I'm just going to basically take a brush and I'm going to go swish, 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 swish until it's blended. And boom. So freaking easy. It's so ridiculous. And now I'm going to show you guys a cut crease really quickly. So I'm just going to blend the internal edge. Again, a few swipes. I'm going to take the shimmery color, just go ahead and paint on the lid. I'm just going to go really nice and clean, defined lid. So I'm just going to go ahead, and if you want to, you could just do like a little bit there, but I'm going to paint the lid. So I'm going to take all of the product that's on my brush. I'm not dipping it back in. I don't want too much product on there. And I'm basically painting the lid. If you don't want to cut crease, you could do so, you can blend it out. You could do however you want to do it. I'm just going to go ahead and do the bottom too, to show you guys how easy this is. So easy, so easy. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the bottom. I'm just gonna go ahead and take 3 dots here as well. And I'm gonna take just a kind of a flat brush, and I'm just blending on bottom. I mean, is it bad to freak out over your own products? Oh my God, it's so good. I'm sorry, it's so good. Literally, it's amazing. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do the inner corner here because I always love a really nice like inner corner that pops. I put a little too much, so I'm just gonna blend out the edge here. Waterproof, will not move. I cry all the time. I'm a crier. Like if I see a cute commercial or if I see a dog or like a cute baby, I cry. I'm one of those people. Yes, I know it's annoying. I cry. So you guys are gonna love using this. I can't wait for you guys to try it, but this is like literally the world's fastest cut crease. I literally went from like, a normal daytime glam to a nighttime glam in seconds. I'm now gonna do it with a mirror in front of me, and I'm not gonna talk, and we're gonna time how long it takes to do full eye glam using the new Melted Shadow from Huda Beauty. So ready, set, go. And this is me not rushing, guys. Just gonna do the bottom. So easy. For everyone out there who's want to do cut crease, want to do perfect shadows, you're gonna love this. I don't know how long that took, but I know it was fast.
Less than a minute.
Was it under a minute? Less than a minute. I feel like I'm on QVC because that's how happy I am about this product. I'm really selling it. I love it so much. Legitimately, it's so easy. You can see this is dried down. It's not going anywhere. Do you guys hear that? Not going anywhere. You guys know how much we like to innovate, how much we like to push when it comes to eyeshadow, and these by far are my favorite things. The concept behind the naming is basically two things that go together. So we have really cute names like Hot Sauce and Cherry Soda, and I'll go through the shades right now with you guys. This is called Faux Fur and Bamboo Hoops, and you can see Faux Fur is a really nice kind of light bone kind of color, and then Bamboo Hoops is like a really pretty gold shimmery color. The next color is called Bubble Bath and Pink Champagne. This color is so beautiful. This color is the second lightest from the collection. It's a little bit of a pinker neutral color, and then it has like a really pretty pink champagne-y color that's like really beautiful. The next shade is called Private Jet and Shimmering Sunset, which is a really pretty kind of neutral light color. It's really beautiful. It's like a nice warm kind of pinkish brown, and on the other side is like a really beautiful shimmery champagne gold color. And then the next one is, this is called Hot Sauce and Cherry Soda. And just remember, the more intense the shades get, be really nimble with how much you put on. This is a really pigmented reddish pinkish undertone. I would literally do 2 to 3 drops, dots of it, and then blend that out because it is super intense. The shimmery side, kind of the same rules apply for all of them. Don't go super heavy on the layer, just go nice and thin. Then you'll have really super long lasting wear. And then the last shade that is dropping with this collection, which is a really beautiful color. This is a little bit of a purpley kind of amethyst, kind of warm purple. And this is called Silk Bomber and Bubblegum. So this one is really beautiful purple color, and then these are like a little bit of a iridescent pink and purple-y tone. This is the only iridescent one that we have in this collection, and I just think purples are so gorgeous in iridescence. You guys know we've been doing it since Desert Dusk. We always like to add a little bit of some special iridescent pearls that really kind of, I feel, heighten the purple. So that is it for this entire collection. We'll have more shades and more collections from this to launch. This is really special. It's really important to remember, no matter how good at makeup you are, you can use these and do whatever you want with them. You can either, wear them alone. You could wear just a matte. You could wear just a shimmer. You can use this and then put more shadows on top. I've done that a lot with the new nudes. I'll wear sometimes the Bubble Bath and Pink Champagne, and I put some of the nude on top, and it just really intensifies and adds to the long wearing of the product. I am so excited for this. I can't wait for you guys to try this. And I think we should bring Olya in here and see how good she is applying this shadow. So we're going to see how she applies it. Come over here. We're going to have you on camera. Ouch.
Sorry.
I'm nervous. No, okay. Don't be nervous. It's okay. Olya is gonna share using my brushes because we're sisters, and she does it. She loves me.
Yes.
Olya, so pick your poison. Which color are you gonna wear?
Okay. Which color? Which color? This one.
Okay.
What color is this?
Silk Bomber and
I like the name.
And Bubblegum.
Okay,
all right,
awesome.
Cool. This is what you're gonna do. I'm gonna tell you once, and you're gonna do it on camera. We're gonna see. And Olya is a makeup enthusiast.
Yeah, I am.
She's not a makeup enthusiast.
Look at me. I've got so much makeup on.
She's not a makeup enthusiast. No, she actually hates makeup, and she hates anything that takes time to get her ready. You basically take the matte side and you put on 3 dots across your crease.
This is the crease, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
3 dots, right?
Yes.
One at the end, one in the middle, one in the beginning,
okay,
right?
It. Yep. That's easy.
And not too heavy because this is a very pigmented one,
okay?
And then you're just going to go ahead and blend it with this brush.
Okay.
Right?
Wait.
1, 2, 3.
You know I can't see that well with my eyes closed. I got LASIK.
Now you're just going to blend it.
All over the lid?
All over the lid.
Crease?
All over the lid, crease, whatever. It doesn't matter. Just do it.
Oh, yeah. It's nice. Can you tell?
Let me see.
Because I can barely see.
Did you blend it?
Look
look at
that.
that.
Whoa.
If all you can have a blended shadow.
Wow. That was amazing.
Olya looks like she works at MAC now.
I do.
Okay.
I'm sorry. It's so beautiful.
Okay, now you're going to take the other side. You're going to take a very thin layer. So you're going to rub off any excess product. And then you're just going to paint on your lid the shape of your lid.
I can do this. I'm so excited because you know how bad I am with makeup.
Now you're going to do it every day.
Applying makeup. Woo! So pretty. Okay, is that good?
Yeah. And then you're going to paint. You're just going to paint on your lid. Yeah, on your lid. On your lid.
Just on the lid.
Just make it defined, or however you want.
But do I blend with a brush or with this thing?
No, just leave it like cut crease because you don't.
Ooh! Look how pretty.
Okay, hold on. We're not done. You're almost done.
I'm really excited.
Yes. And then basically now you're going to take and put 3 dots, very small dots up on the bottom.
Oh, really? Okay. Do I have too much on here?
Maybe for the bottom, yeah.
See, I'm becoming an expert. I'm going to take over your job.
Oh, please do.
3 dots?
3 small dots.
All right. I think I wiped it all off.
Now you're going to blend it in with the bottom of this.
I know how much. Wow, I'm so telling you, I'm an expert now. I think it's the product, huh?
It is.
It's really
It's also you.
No, it's really easy to use. Foolproof!
That's what we
I
keep
like.
saying. Foolproof.
Thank
Now look in
you.
now look in the mirror. Look in the
I
window.
look so beautiful. I did a great job.
And look how easy that was.
Do you approve? 'Cause
Yeah.
You're an expert.
Yeah.
It's great, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. I love it.
Now do the other eye.
The other eye?
Yeah.
I don't know if I can do it again. I think I can, right?
Yeah. We're gonna time how long it takes.
Oh, cool. 10 seconds. Okay, ready?
Yeah. You made it dry. You took too long.
I know, I took too long. Okay, wait, sorry, I don't want to close it, but I want to do this quickly. Oh my god, I'm doing so great. Ta-da! How pretty.
Blend it more.
See, it's perfect.
Yeah.
It's perfect. What do you
Yeah.
have doubt for? Perfect.
Yeah, that's good.
Does shadow take a lot of blending?
No.
'Cause I don't do that.
You just like held it for a while, but it's okay.
Yeah, because I dried
It's
it.
okay.
Okay.
Guys, it will dry.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
But it
okay,
is, yeah.
now this. Okay, I can do this. This is easy. And I wiped it. I took too much off. That's why it was.
There you go.
Look at that.
Yeah, don't be shy.
So pretty.
Don't be shy. Don't be shy, girl.
I got it.
Don't be shy.
It's so easy. Oh my god, look how beautiful. Beautiful!
You
I'm
look
all
at
done.
it.
How long did it take?
No, do the bottom. Do the bottom.
Wait, I'm done.
Do the bottom.
With this one?
Do the bottom.
with the
No,
other
the other
one.
one.
Wait, how am I? Wait.
Go! Go!
you're making
Go!
me
Go! Go! Go!
Wait, sorry. I wiped it off. I'm just afraid of putting too much and then.
Go! You're running out of time!
Oh no. Oh, look what you did. You rushed me! That's still good. You rushed me! I don't do well with being rushed. But it's still pretty.
It's still beautiful. I actually think it looks better.
Oh yeah, I think it looks better too. Right? It's a little too much. I knew it because I was trying to take off the. That's still.
You put a
How much time? That's
26.
No, I did it in 10 seconds. 1 minute. This is my first time. I'm sure I'll get much better.
Yes.
Right? I did well for the first
Charlie's
time.
Angels.
I did well for the first
Yes.
time. Did I do well for the first time?
So well.
You approve?
Yeah!
Thank you guys. Okay, I gotta go. I like it. I really do.
Next, I want to bring my husband in here because Olya did a really good job, but I want to see how my husband would do because he is just so far from wearing makeup. I can't even tell you guys. He
It
is.
took it forever to come.
You want me to apply the new dual shadow on myself?
Can you do
And I
it?
came running.
Which one do you want to pick?
Hot sauce.
You want hot sauce? That's pretty daring. Is that what you want?
Yeah.
Okay. So you take the matte side. You put 3 dots right here.
Okay.
Right? Or you can even put it on your lid if you want to because your crease is a little bit strong. So maybe you just put it on your lid, 3 dots on your lid. And then you blend with this big brush. You just blend out like crazy. You don't want to give it a lot of time.
Bang, bang, bang.
Bang, bang, bang. Not too much product.
Okay, guys, you ready?
Yes. You're using my,
Yeah, how do I-
me and Olya use this. You don't mind sharing, right?
Okay.
You got it?
Just
You
bang,
got it.
bang, bang?
Wait, you have too much product on it.
Of course.
Go ahead.
Should I use the mirror?
Yes, use the mirror. 3 dots on your lid, close to the crease. Good. Oh, he's such an artist, guys. You see that?
Okay.
That was 4.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
This one.
Now
didn't
blend.
fit.
Yeah.
When you say blend, just.
That means you just swipe back and forth. Yeah. If Chris can do it, anyone can do it. Let me see your lids. So blended. Wait. Are you open one eye though? Open the other eye and blend.
Okay.
Yeah. Beautiful.
So pretty.
I know. All right.
Okay.
All right. And then just paint a cut crease on your lid. And just don't forget that really close to the lash line. Most people forget that.
Okay.
And then paint like a little bit of like a half.
Keep painting.
Yeah.
A lot of painting.
Let me see. I feel like we should get Nora in here too though.
It's not here?
Oh my god.
But how do you
It's
see it?
amazing!
And that's it, guys.
Mary's mouth is dropped.
If I can do it, you can do it. Does it come off easy?
It's waterproof.
Okay. Does it come off easy? Huh?
What do you care?
I care. I gotta go back to
I'm
work.
married to you. No, you don't have to impress anybody.
I know, but there's a bunch of people out there. Like, hey, why are you so glittery? How does it look?
I mean, for you, like you didn't even know the spoolie or whatever it was. I mean, that's impressive.
Not bad.
Nora's here.
She is actually gonna do it as well. You ready?
Yeah.
So Nora's gonna do the same shade that I did. I want to see how easy you can do eyeshadow
yourself?
by yourself. Careful, it's very pigmented, so don't use too much product. Okay, should I tell her what to do?
No.
Okay.
I'm a genius already.
I'm a genius already. So she went ahead and put a little bit on this eye, and she just used her finger and blended it out. I wanted to show you how to do this. On this eye, you can use your fingers again, but just put a little dot right here in the corner, and then just blend it out with your finger like this.
Can you do it for me?
No, I want you to do it. Okay, so do it. You never let her wear makeup. Are you so excited?
No, I like playing around with it, but not rules.
Not rules. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, it's okay.
But okay.
No, it's good. You want to use a brush to blend it?
Yes, please.
Sure. Here, use this brush. Blend it fast because it's gonna dry. Yeah.
Here's a little more there.
Look how blended that is, guys, on her. That's pretty impressive. Very good, Noor. Go a little bit more. Okay, you can do the other side now. I really don't like her wearing makeup.
But you asked for me.
I know. Sometimes Nora tries to wear makeup and then I go home and she tries to remove it. And I see it. I'm like, why are you wearing eyeliner? You can't trick me. Oh, careful, not too much product.
I think that's enough.
Yeah, I think it's enough too. Nora just did a really beautiful smoky eye. And she's 7. Oh, you look so beautiful.
Should I keep it?
You don't need it.
I want to
You
keep
don't need
it.
Okay, we're gonna, I'll let you keep it on for a little bit. Thank you, Nora, for being on my channel.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you, YouTube. Or Instagram, wherever
It's
it's
for
gonna go
YouTube.
on.
Thank you, YouTube.
Okay, thank you, YouTube.
Thank you, YouTube. Okay, give me kisses. Love you. Okay. Okay.
I have to go.
So the retail price on these are going to be $25. You get the full piece for $25. You get matte and shimmery metal beautifulness on the other side for $25. So it's a really good price. And then we will be having the kit. So this is the kit that we're going to be selling exclusively on our website. So we're going to put all the information on where you can get this down below. We're going to have a wait list up so you guys can sign up with your email. We'll tell you guys exactly when it launches. But I am super pumped about this product. I don't think I've ever been so excited about something because it's just so new and so good. And I do feel like when a lot of people try it, it's going to change their makeup game and hopefully really raise it to the next level. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you ring that bell and check us out everywhere else. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys. Love you guys so much.